We are the
Diz Kids!
And what ride are we gonna be doing today?
Smugglers Run in Star Wars Land.
So, let's go on to the ride. We'll see you guys there. Star Wars Millennium Falcon Smugglers Run was the first ride to open in Galaxy's Edge in Disney's Hollywood Studios. It is an interactive motion simulation ride that holds up to 6 passengers.
Smugglers Run opened at Disneyland on May 31st and at Disneyworld on August 29th, 2019. Guests must be 38 inches tall to ride. This ride is handicap accessible for riders that can transfer to a seat in the Falcon's cockpit.
It is located at the center of Black Spire Outpost or Star Wars Land. This ride is currently in the top tier of Hollywood Studios Fast Pass, along with Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway and Slinky Dog Dash.
Guests will be assigned one of 3 jobs: a pilot, a gunner, or an engineer. Pilots sit in the front row, gunners sit in the middle row, and engineers sit in the back row.
Hondo Onaka explains that your mission is to steal hyperfuel known as coaxium from the First Order. Smugglers need to blast TIE fighters and a transport train to secure the valuable cargo, then escape into hyperspace. You get a score at the end of the mission based on your performance. Now, let's go on a smuggling mission with the Diz Kids on Millennium Falcon Smugglers Run.
Yes. Hello, my friends. I am Hondo Onaka, and this is Onaka Transport Solutions. Today, I am offering the opportunity of a lifetime. I need flight crews to transport this valuable merchandise across the galaxy. Pilots to navigate, engineers to operate the ship, and gunners to defend the shipments. And that is where you come in. The Millennium Falcon. On road for some very fast and very profitable expeditions. You welcome my fine furry friend. As we agreed, you let us use the ship. We'll get you the supplies you need. It's a win-win. You help the resistance, I get all the profits. What? The First Order will never know we were there. Okay, time to go, so bye. We better go before he changes his mind. Move along, my friends. The flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left. Move your stick to fly right and left. Pilot on the right. Pull back on the stick to fly out. And push forward to fly down. Buttons are online. Left pilot. Please don't kill me. Now let's go get that coax out. Take the jump to light speed. I have a bad feeling about this. That was my fastest plane. Those heavy dice are protecting the train. Take them out. They look up to us. Take an easy action.
Put it down! Put it down! Put it down! Put it down!
There it is. After that plane. Flight engineers, fire the harpoon. Excellent. Now, gunners, shoot the cargo free. Left pilot, brakes. That could have been much worse. Okay, it's much worse. Oh no! Meesa gonna die! Yes, you got one. Excellent, my friends. Power up the ship. Go, taxi out. You see, just as I promised, my friend. Now that the resistance has what they
Destroy everything.
They did something for Hondo. Pilots, Line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car. Gunners, shoot the train.
Damn it! Hold it down!
Yes, keep mashing those controllers. The car goes left. Keep shooting. Good job, my friend. Yes. We got the coaxium. I will grab it. You keep after the train. Gunship! Oh, that's ridiculous. Things are getting too hot. Get out of here! Oh! A distraction! Fire the missiles at the train! Hurry! The Star Destroyer is collapsing! Your pilot, hit the boosters! Boost! We made it! I don't believe it, but we made it! Now, let's get out of here!
Hey!
Yes, Chewie will pilot us in remotely. You retrieve 2 containers of coaxium. This would greatly help the resistance. You have heard the First Order and made Chewie proud.
Okay, guys, we're back with the Diz Kids. It's time to grade Millennium Falcon Smugglers Run. So we just finished it, and Mel, what is your grade?
A+, it's amazing. But also, I would recommend you ask for the pilot, because the pilot you get to do much more than everybody else, because you actually get to fly the ship. So, yeah.
I give it an A+. Just a tip, sometimes it might feel like it's kind of like space mission where you just push a few buttons and it doesn't actually do anything. But this one, the way you drive and steer and stuff actually affects how you ride. So it's really cool. Yeah, and my mom and my dad, special guests, their grade is an A. And make sure to comment down below what your grade is, and bye, and make sure to hit that subscribe button.